all this goodness right here for $98? Are you serious? Hi, welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review. This wig review is on the 100% human hair headband half wig. I got this wig from Amazon. Okay, here's the package. I already went ahead and washed this wig. Okay, it's the headband wig. 18-inch, 150% density. All right, we're going to see what this baby is working with today. This is my first review on a human hair wig. I will be doing more reviews on it, so on human hair wigs. Here is this beautiful half wig. It's so pretty. Look at the curls on it. Oh my. Oh my. Yes. Okay, let's get in on the cap construction. Okay, it comes with the band sewn on. It has the Velcro in the back, so you can adjust it to your head. Okay, 3 combs in the front, a comb in the back. All right, no adjustable straps on this one. So let's get this baby on and see what she is working with. All right. Okay, I done popped her on my head, and this unit is simply gorgeous. It's so soft and it does not tangle, and it sheds very little, just a few strands. Okay, this is beautiful, honey. Y'all better get y'all wig life together with this one. Okay, and I did go back after I saw the quality of this wig for just $98 for 18 inches, you know, compared to the other headband half wigs, the human ones. In this length, it was about close to $200 or more. All right, this is very good quality, and the hair is so soft. So soft, so beautiful. Okay, I try to go back and they are all so completely out. I couldn't even go in because I was going to go in and get a longer length in this same exact wig, but they were sold out. But I'll still leave the link, you know, just in case they restock back up, so you all can go grab it while it's still at this low price. I think it's a good price for this, for the length, for the fullness, and for how beautiful these curls are, and the quality is really good on this unit. So here's the side, so I could do a quick 360. The back, I'm swinging it. Let me hold still so y'all can see what's going on. And the other side. Okay? And all of it to the front. Just gorgeous. Okay, I'm just showing just a few little styles that you can do also with it. If you want to have it like up at the top, down at the bottom, and half up. Look, okay? A half up do. cute. Okay, you can also create a cute little bun style with this wig too. This is super cute. Absolutely love it. Okay, princesses, that pretty much wraps it up for this wig review. I hope you all enjoyed it, okay? Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Like, share, comment, and all that good stuff. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.